Binatone Airlink Wi-Fi dongle, Wi-Fi hotspot, or you call anything. Welcome to Unboxing in English. Today we are going to just unbox and showing you about this Binatone Wi-Fi dongle hotspot, that how you can easily use. But first of all, I'm just showing you up the few details about this package, and I'm gonna just open and gonna show you how it works and what are the scenarios. First of all, if you want to buy this one, check out in the link description given over there. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Now subscribe and hit bell icon. Now as you can check out, if you want to check out all the side of this product, you can easily check out, and we're gonna talk about them later. And now when we open this package, as you can check out, first of all we find a micro USB to USB cable, so that you can easily charge this device or you can easily connect with your laptop or computer. It has a Wi-Fi, no problem, and it comes with a battery that is 2700 mAh. As you can see, it looks a huge heavy battery though, and it's 2700 milliampere battery. And when we go further inside of this device package, you can check out, we get a quick start guide over here, and after that we find this device, nothing else in this package. And this one is that device. As you can check out, this is the main unit, the Binatone Wi-Fi dongle. As you can check out, it has a button over here, charging port is over here on this bottom side, and there are 4 indicators on this. This is the network, battery, SMS and Wi-Fi indicator. And over here you will find a WPS button over here. It has given a opening compartment over here, as you can check out, and you can just easily open it from over here. Now you can easily check out that over there are a few details about the Wi-Fi password or IP address or anything like this is given over there, and you can easily take a photo of or check it out right now. You have to use a full size SIM card over here, but I have this nano SIM card over here. I'm gonna just insert and precisely trying to set it over here, as you can check out. And now insert the battery, set up the battery. It has a SD card port is also available there. You can easily insert the SD card and use it is as a SD card reader too, as you can check out. Now I'm just inserting the SIM card and adding the battery. Inserted the battery, switch on. As you can check out, when we switch it on, it will start showing you indicators like this, that if network for the internet or other things are available, it will start glowing green. Battery is full, that means it's green. Blue, that means there are no SMS, and the Wi-Fi is blue, that means no Wi-Fi has been corrected till now. I'm just going to connecting this with my mobile phone, as you can check out. इंटरनेट स्पीड, जियो सिम कार्ड यूजिंग दिस डोंगल। देख सकते हैं आप लोग
के अंदर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज जब वो हम लोग एक जबरदस्त चीज दिखाने वाले हैं आपको। मैं आपको दिखाने वाला नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है जो मैंने ये कैमरा खरीदा है,
initially if I talk about this dongle, it's a kind of good dongle. I found it, and as you can check out, it's very little over here, and Binatone is just creating great product. If we talk about, because it already in market, it's already available with the Airtel My Wi-Fi, that is also from Binaton. But if we talk about that on that Wi-Fi dongle, only Airtel SIM card will gonna work. But over here you can easily use any kind of any SIM card on this dongle, because it's from freely from Binaton. And if you want to purchase this product, link is given in the description and you can check out over there. And it's kind of simple and sleek, so that you can easily just insert the SIM card, insert the battery, and just voila, switch on and use this Wi-Fi from the password given into it. And if you want to buy this product, it's costed me around 3000 to 4000 INR, and the link is given in the description. You can check out over there and easily buy this product. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, or subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.